The Homing Bee by E. Pauline Johnson. Read for LibriVox.org by David Lawrence. You are belted with gold, little brother of mine, yellow gold, like the sun that spills in the west as a chalice of wine when feasting is done. You are gossamer winged, little brother of mine, tissue winged like the mist that broods where the marshes melt into a line of vapor sun-kissed. You are laden with sweets, little brother of mine, flower sweets like the touch of hands we have longed for, of arms that entwine, of lips that love much. You are better than I, little brother of mine, than I, human soul, for you bring from the blossoms and red summer shine, for others your gold. End of poem.